Any mention?
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, Lordship.
14?
Yes, Lordship.
1 second, huh? Just give me 1 minute. 14.
Lordship, we require some time, Lordship, to
do what?
We require some time to peruse the entire report, Lordship.
This is 21.
This is a teacher matter, Lordship.
This is a
teacher matter.
Teacher matters are all dead and gone.
What
do you want this matter? There will be very small hearing. Yes?
She's been serving for more than 12 years, Lordship. So,
I don't get you.
She has been serving for more than 12 years and thereafter she got...
okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Authorised, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship.
Number?
Item number 11.
11.
I pray for some more time, Lordship, because the counsel is currently unavailable due to personal difficulties.
Okay.
Similar, like...
No objection?
No objections.
Similar prayer with item number 12, Lordship, because it's connected matters.
The Sheikh only?
Yes,
Yes, due to unavailability of arguing counsel for the petitioner, this is a matter of 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship. Please, Lordship, I need to make mention for item 16.
16? Yes.
For 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item 13, Your Lordship.
Item?
13.
GG non-country.
Your Lordship. If this matter may come after 1 week, Your Lordship, as the conducting
What's the
counsel.
matter about? Excuse me.
That meant it was heard at some length, my lord, with regard to the promotion in the education department.
After 1 week?
1 week, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes.
Your Lordship, and a similar prayer for item 19 as well.
Okay, 19. 19? They'll have objection, I think. No objection. You giving up this case? After how long? 1 week. 1 week.
I beg to mention item number 10.
18 matter, the Basmatari. Where's Mr. Qureshi? Other side? You inform them?
No, Your Lordship. May this be only pass over for the day.
Okay, after 1 week. Yeah. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Main list, item number 1.
This is compulsory retirement. The last time it come up. Right? Compulsory retirement or promotion?
Retirement.
Your Lordship, here instructions are still awaited, Your Lordship. If it may come up sometime next week, Your Lordship.
For instruction and affidavit.
Affidavit will be filing it, Your Lordship.
Come instructions first, otherwise when you're retiring?
No, already retired.
Already retired, okay. MSS Rumthau Vice Dr. M. Muzika so submits praise that they may be allowed further 1 week's time to obtain instructions.
Your Lordship, let it come after 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
4 weeks?
Meantime, we'll get instructions and file that.
4 weeks time to obtain instructions to file affidavit. Praise allowed this after 4 weeks, yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship.
Any
You've got the
information
police
received?
report, Your Lordship. You've got the police report, Your Lordship.
Was it high-handedness on behalf of the
No,
state
there is no
hospital?
high-handedness on the part of the police officials. In fact, the writ
It's
petition...
so big. Can you open it and flag the relevant parts?
I can do that, Your Lordship.
Please.
Undo it. Lordship, in fact,
I hope
whatever...
you have not come with...
Clean hands.
I hope you have not come to court with
Lordship.
unclean hands.
No, Lordship, no. Let them explain.
Otherwise, will be imposed heavy
Lordship,
costs
I'm
if we are
ready,
seeking
Lordship.
to settle a civil dispute by invoking writ jurisdiction, to
Lordship,
intimidate.
as an officer of the court, I am duty bound to say the conduct
What
of
is
the
duty bound?
Lordship, the conduct of the policeman. It was how I don't know how they are going to explain the due process by entering into the premises. I may be a criminal. I have hundreds of cases pending against me. But the manner in which they have done due process of law has gone for a toss, Lordship. Why I am requesting, Lordship?
That's absolutely untrue, Your Lordship, because...
One second. Did it take place in the place where you're residing?
Yes, Your Lordship, where I am residing, Your Lordship.
He's residing there as a tenant.
That is a matter of dispute, Lordship. Still, if I am a tenant also, then also from where the police got the power to enter my premises and mishandle my properties, Lordship. Misbehave with the lady.
He has, there was a complaint against them, Your
Still,
Lordship.
Your Lordship.
There was a complaint against them by the landlady
Where
who
in
had been
CRPC?
locked out of her house.
Lordship, where
She was
in
locked out of her
CRPC?
house. They had put CCTV without
Lordship,
the
that's why I'm
consent of the landlady. So the landlady had gone to the police officials.
See, Mr.
I will humbly
you're
pray,
Dr.
Lordship, at
Mehdi,
least
right?
a bare perusal of the
Yeah,
video,
Dr.
Lordship.
Mehdi. The
Lordship.
thing is that this matter involves senior citizen who made a complaint.
Lordship.
The police have acted on the complaint of senior citizen.
Lordship.
Firstly, that the petition number 2 has tortured her and locked her out from the rooms and installed CCTVs. Can you put
That's
a senior,
why I'm
can you
saying,
put a
Lordship.
senior citizen? Anyway,
Lordship, in the corridor where I am staying,
I will not
Lordship.
go into
And
facts.
she's a tenant. She had no business to put up CCTVs in the house.
Doesn't
in my
matter, but the
house,
thing is that
without my consent
Lordship.
and locking me out of my room
you
in the
file an
terrace.
affidavit, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Please report as called for by order dated 11/7/2023 has been produced by the learned AAG MST Yangi. Stop. Have you issued notice to the to the presumed person by person? Who's going to appear for
Not
him?
yet, Lordship. Notice.
Yes. The
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
no?
I think I'm playing behalf the 3 respondents. Yeah. He acted on the instructions of the.
Yes, let an affidavit be filed by the state respondents within 2 weeks. Yes. Then you give them copies. Whatever excerpts you want to take from police report, you take.
Yes.
I'm not saying anything more, Dr. Mehdi. Yes.
Lordship, the protection may continue, Lordship.
What protection, dear?
Lordship, even
They are the
today,
ones who are the victims.
even today, Lordship, I am being
Once
pressurized to
the senior
withdraw this
citizen is
petition.
involved, and it appears from, I will not pass any, I will not give any observations right now. One appears that there's been, there's
And they may
sort
be.
of so coercive action being taken by the petition number 2, especially against a lady. It's
Lordship,
one will not
the-
stand for that.
And the interim protection granted may be recalled, Your Lordship.
Yes,
We
sir.
do not.
The interim order shall, whatever, any interim order passes shall be discontinued. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Return on.
oblige, Lordship.
Don't try to settle civil disputes by invoking writ jurisdiction. That's all.
Lordship, no, Lordship, I have.
If you behave in certain manner, you'll get the action in a certain manner like that.
The action of the
The senior
policeman was
citizen
just
has to
like
go
a-
to the police. They have no recourse. Yes.
With all humility, I submit, Lordship. The action of the
Main this
policeman was
item
just
number
like a henchman, hired henchman,
Yes.
Lordship.
We will
If
see
they are
the
capable of
affidavit.
the-
You'll have enough opportunity.
Oblige, Lordship.
Yes.
Main this item number 2.
No one interested. Where's Mr. Changrai So?
For the
Yes.
Lordship,
Where's the district council?
we were informed this morning
Yes,
that
Your Honor.
our senior is not available.
Your Honor, he's out of station, Your Honor, since yesterday. So if we can take this matter after.
It's for what? For affidavit?
Your Honor, it's for admission hearing, Your Honor.
Catch your breath first. Yes.
Okay, Your Honor.
Mr. Kriyam.
Pleadings are completed.
Admission hearing is regarding my stability.
What's the matter about? Well, you seek time.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, 2 weeks time, Your
Lordship,
Lordship.
we were informed today morning, so we didn't prepare, Lordship.
Okay, council parties of MS Sinong Khan submits that due to unavailability of Mr. BGK Kantad, the matter be adjourned. Prayers allowed, list the matter after 1 week.
Much obliged.
Item number 4. Your Lordship, we've already filed the affidavit, Your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner?
My lord.
Oh, here. Yes.
My lord.
You don't need to file agenda.
Definitely, my lord.
Definitely.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Arjaha submits that the affidavit will receive and praise and be allowed how much time?
1 week, my lord.
1 week. 2 weeks time to file the agenda, yes. See your problem of seeking adjournment again after 1 week.
Definitely.
5.
Leave it other website. One second. Yes, you're entering appearance today.
I'm entering my appearance today, my lord. And Lordship would have noticed fairly substantial petition has been filed. Some 300 judgments have been quoted.
300 judgments have been quoted.
More or less, my lord.
What do you mean by that? In the petition?
In the petition itself, my lord. So I'll have to obviously go through all that. I'll require some time, my lord.
Why are you quoting? Why, Mr. Kharon, are you quoting judgments in the petition?
Well, Lordship, Lordship, some technicalities of law and everything which we want to substantiate through this petition, Lordship.
It increases the
Are you writing a legal manual or you're writing a petition?
Lordship.
I'll require some time to go through all this, my lord.
So will this have admission hearing or?
Admission hearing should be okay.
Is that all right?
Your Lordship, I had one request to make.
Yes.
There has been communications in respect of a final settlement which has come from the wife.
Okay.
And I was requesting, because if there is a chance of the parties amicably resolving the issues, which involves then withdrawal of all pending cases, perhaps we could be referred to mediation as well. The wife has in fact contacted the husband's sister, and also Mr. Jindal had contacted Mr. Kharvanland in respect of exploring the possibility of settlement. So I would request if we can, either councils and the parties can sit on VC and we can see if there is any possibility of
that'd be very good. Is that correct?
In fact, my lord, there is another proceeding, a domestic violence proceeding. Presiding officer in that proceeding had himself opined that he will like to send the parties for mediation. Out of that, my lord, this whole...
so we'll do one thing, we'll just place it after 2 weeks for further orders.
Maybe even for more than that.
Maybe 3 weeks. We will not pass any orders here, MS Singhal. Because if the other collateral proceedings on, so if that can be resolved,
we can, and your lordship may, if your lordship pleases record in the order that we can sit amongst ourselves.
Of course.
Also, to try and settle it, because
you see, nothing in law, it doesn't need an order for that.
Absolutely.
Of course, but I only so that then it also means that no proceedings will, because if we are trying to settle on one hand and then proceedings are being pushed on the other hand.
Okay, you listen to the order, yes.
Lordship, a small request, my lord. Lordship may kindly not record the fact of settlement being attempted, because what will happen invariably, and this has happened in the past, is that based on Lordship's order, proceedings will not move an inch, neither will the settlement reach any sort of conclusion.
But you've made a statement at the bar that they are overtures.
Lordship,
then?
The statement can be recorded, but the effect
statements, the counsels for the party submit that there's an attempt to seek some resolution with regard to the pending dispute between the petitioner and the respondent. In that view, the matter, list this matter after 4 weeks for the orders. The counsels for the parties shall be at liberty also to undertake whatever measures necessary to bring about such resolution. Yes.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged, Lord.
Item number 6.
May it please your lordship?
Yes.
I pray for some more time, lordship, to file
How
the
many times
affidavit.
you prayed?
2 times, lordship.
This is the third time.
Third time, lordship. Sure.
No objection. Yes. MS NG Shila Senior GA pays for not further 2 weeks time.
3 weeks time,
3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Much obliged, lordship.
This pre-allowed list thereafter and so on.
7.
Yes, who's appearing for the respondents? ZE.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondents 1 and 2, Lordship, and I'm praying for some time to file affidavit.
Similar for 3 and 4.
You just entered appearance today?
Last time.
So respondents pray for another further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This is the draft also.
We'll do that.
E.
Have you taken steps on the newly impeached respondent?
Lordship, yes, we have taken.
You've taken
Yes,
for
madam.
service, huh?
I entered appearance for respondent number 8.
Very good. 7? You are appearing for 7?
Not yet. Not yet, my lord. Only 8, my lord.
What's the difference between 7 and 8, Mr. Hassan?
8 is, my lord, secretary of the VC.
Secretary of the VC. And you are?
And I am
Video? No.
No, Lordship.
Sorry, Azizur Rahman.
Azizur Rahman. Yes, my lord.
So what is the difference between the president and the secretary of the same VC?
My lord, there is a body constituted by the president, secretary, and the woman member, my lord.
Correct.
Yes, my lord.
The thing is that now you are representing a secretary of the same VEC. Why is the president not being represented by you also?
Maybe he has not received the. Maybe I don't know, my lord. Only the secretary has approached me and.
You informed them, so the proceedings going to stall.
So by next date, my lord, I'll confirm it, my lord.
Yes, Mr. S.K. Hassan entered appearance today on behalf of number 7 and submits that he will also inform the respondent number 8.
My lord, right now 8, my lord.
Oh, sorry, number 8, and submits that he will undertake to inform the respondent number 7 about the existence of the case. Stop. What about affidavit?
Lordship, praying for some more time, Lordship.
Next paragraph, MS NG Shilla prays and Mr. S.K. Hassan pray for and allowed 3 weeks time to file further time to file affidavit.
Much obliged, Lordship.
9.
You join again.
My lord, executing
the agreement.
Yes.
So, Lord, kindly defer this matter for another 2 weeks. By then, everything should
disposal of.
My lord, an order has already been passed.
This is the second round. This is the second round.
That's what. That is the very purpose why this court wants to close this matter. I don't know.
Because in the previous round also same submissions were made.
No, same submissions were made. You disappeared.
No, I did not disappear, my lord. I'm sorry. And my lord, now the headquarter has, my lord, taken upon itself, and meetings were held. He had come to the headquarter.
Parties pray that.
My lord, an order has also been passed that agreement will be signed, my lord.
Yeah, does he have a copy of the order?
The copy has I have been marked to the petitioners, my lord. So now, my lord, we have informed the district authorities also. Yes, my lord, that is.
Therefore, I'm praying for 2 weeks.
It's true, my lord. My senior colleague is speaking.
Is it part of the affidavit here? No.
No.
My lord, we have not filed any affidavit.
MS Arconi has produced a letter dated 13 July 2023 indicating the fact that the petitioner has agreed to execute a fresh contract agreement and a draft contract has also been prepared. So, accordingly, list this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
To await the signing of the contract. A copy of the letter dated 13 July 2023 is taken on board and made part of the record. Yes.
Nice.
Hearing 15.
So, petitioners, I think, is absent today.
Who's the petitioner?
What is his name?
Any urgency?
Actually, they were pressing to be heard.
On appears for the petitioner after 2 weeks, yes.
My lord, how obliged.
17.
Again, a non-starter.
Your Lordship, if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Kanta gone? Gone
He's
fishing?
out of station. No, Your Lordship, he's out of station, Your Lordship. He left yesterday.
MS Sinaklau prays that the matter be adjourned due to the absence of the seniors arguing counsel. When, Mr.
After 2 weeks.
Azad, this is the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
18.
Lord, kindly if this matter, not after 2 weeks. I'm prepared more.
What's the matter about representation?
Regularization.
Are you waiting in which department?
Sericulture.
It doesn't follow the other cases which you have done earlier, Mr. Philemon.
No. This is
not
totally
regard
different.
not regard that training and all.
Sponsored,
Yes, sir, Mr. I don't know, we submitted due to personal difficulty. The matter be adjourned for 2 weeks. This is the matter thereafter. Alone. You're making my job easier because I have to leave town by 12. Yes.